like another hour with you.
Yes. I'll be happy to.
Final thoughts. Somebody said if you could be the so-called Obama of the Philippines.
I think
he's the Nick Burlas of the U.S.
Yeah. Right.
I'm just saying that because you're in front of me. Kasi Gilbert is over here. No, how can I backbite? I'm on air. Good God. I'm sure you have a radio in your car. You can still hear me.
Okay, I'll end with a thought from Rizal. And I'm not going to make this very long. It's connected to actually our elections. Rizal had a very profound concept of reason, which many Filipinos, including Rizal experts, don't understand. When Rizal said reason, which he used a lot in his political and social writings, which I have, his collected writings on political and social thought, reason for him is the lamp that was given by the divine creator.
Okay.
So that there's the possibility of using our reason to then connect to our divine source. I'm mentioning this because we can make this election a very different election, the most conscious election, by using, in Philippine history, by using our reason. We have to vote from our essence, from our dignity, from our moral wholeness, instead of just being affected by shallow criteria, temporary popularity, whatever it is, inundated by money and so on. So if a lot of people really chose the highest in themselves and really did that out of conviction, and people did that by the millions, then we will have a new government in this country that we can all really be excited about. Because Rizal said, there are no slaves if there are no tyrants if there are no slaves. There are no traditional politicians if we have conscious, enlightened, principled voters. That's my hope for 2010 elections.
Listeners of NU 107, that was Nicanor Perlas. Thank you very much, Nick.
Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, gang.
And you like you too. For me, that's one check. Thank you so much, Nick. We'll be right back with Governor Miggs Dominguez of the Lakas Kampi. We're going to move swing on this one. I'm sure it's going to be different, but that's a good thing. Again, Mr. Perlas, thank you so much. Please, do you want to say hi to someone? Or
just hi to all the friends who are there, and to supporters, and even those who are just being in your show, just watching.
Good luck, sir. And please take care of your health.
Thank you so much, guys.
All right, we'll be right back. Don't go away. When we get back, it's going to be the governor of Sarangani. Stop. Go. Okay.